moviegoers seeing pink. Barbie all the rage as the doll-based movie gets its global release. We have Damien's review and how some local Barbie fans got dolled up for the summer blockbuster.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10.
Pretty in pink, Barbie raking in record ticket sales. The movie earning $214 million in the US alone over its first 5 days in cinemas. Globally, the number topped $470 million.
I'm so excited. This is my movie. This is my world. Okay, I was born for this. I'm a Barbie, so I'm excited to see Barbie.
I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house.
Barbie's local premiere, a fundraiser for the Cancer Society at Carib.
I think it's interesting that she was able to buy her own house and have her own credit card, and it was made in 1960. So that was before those things were even possible.
You're wearing your own design tonight?
Absolutely, Commander Mrs. And Barbie's here, so we're doing the thing. After COVID, we need more things like this, you know, it's gonna be an experience, a beautiful one.
All of the Barbies is pretty.
Well, I'm excited to see the styles. I'm big on fashion and I've heard a lot about that, so I'm excited to see what Barbie's bringing.
This is a summer movie. It's something just for us to do. It's not really going to be social commentary or anything too heavy. And I can appreciate that at this time of the year, you know, in terms of going out with your girlfriends, going out with your family members and just having a good time. So I think it's going to be one of those nice feel-good movies, and I think that's what people are looking forward to.
Jealous of me looks, just show me look like a dolly. Me look like a dolly.
And how about this for a Barbie soundbite?
I'm Boss Barbie, hi! And I invest in high-end luxury assets like Barbie's dream house and Barbie cars and high-end stocks like LVMH and Tesla. Because Barbie's got to have her own money, right? We can't depend on Ken.
What have you heard about the film? What are your expectations?
Well, I'm a big fan of Barbie since I was a kid. I think every little girl is. I had my whole Barbie collection. So I'm looking forward to seeing how they depict that. What I heard is that she's going to be moving from Barbie land into real life. So I'm excited to see how that goes. But also this is for an amazing cause, the Jamaica Cancer Society, which I support 100%.
Them boy don't got no Barbies.
I'm not a lover of pink, but for the cause, I'm in pink tonight.
It's a big event for me and it means a lot because of those who have passed that I've loved in my life that battled with cancer.
We do screening at the Cancer Society every day, Mondays to Fridays. So the more we get, it means the more persons we can screen. That's what it basically is.
We have our neon machines on display tonight, and so persons can use both their debit and credit cards to just tap or swipe and make payments. And all payments that are received today go straight over to the Jamaica Cancer Society.
Yes, Barbie's shaping up to be the summer blockbuster. So let's get Damien's take on whether or not this doll delivers.
Barbie makes her live-action big screen debut. Based on the iconic toy, Barbie is a movie all about an idea coming to life. Living in Barbie land where everything is perfect, strange things start to occur.
Do you guys ever think about dying?
To find out what's going on, Barbie has to make her journey into the real world. When she gets there, she might not like what she finds. Margot Robbie plays Barbie and fits the role perfectly. She pulls off a compelling performance as Barbie goes through an emotional journey. Joining Barbie is Ryan Gosling as Ken, who is sure to have audiences laughing throughout with a hilarious portrayal of a kind-hearted imbecile.
There is no just Ken.
The cast is great, but where Barbie shines is in the script. Barbie deals with heavy concepts like feminism and masculinity and isn't pulling any punches. For a movie about a doll, it's certainly more than you might expect.
We haven't played with Barbie since we were like 5 years old. Oh!
On top of that, the movie is stunning to look at. Barbie Land is a brightly colored wonderland of practical set design. Combine that with the movie's incredible sense of scale, and you have a blockbuster film like no other.
If this got out, this could mean extremely weird things for our world.
Barbie is the surprise of the summer, with a meaningful message of self-acceptance. It's funny and charming, while also full of weird and unexpected surprises. It's unlike anything in the cinemas now, so see it as soon as you can. Rating, big screen watch. I'm Damon Michael Movies. Stay safe and remember, life's too short for bad movies.
Ideas live forever.